Case that is 2 decades old, but there are new developments. 31-year-old Josh Phillips was 15 when he was convicted of murdering 8-year-old Maddie Clifton.
Phillips is now being granted a new sentencing hearing after the U.S. Supreme Court deemed life without parole for minors is illegal. Now his defense is focusing on research regarding brain development. Channel 4's Heather Lee has more on what his lawyers are now pushing for.
Well, Josh Phillips was not in court today. In fact, he hasn't been in court for quite some time for a lot of these hearings. But his lawyer said today that this could be a very long process, and he came in today to ask for another sentencing hearing because he says his client deserves it. What's law is law, and according to the U.S. Supreme Court, minors can't be given a sentence of life without parole. That was a decision made back in 2012. And just last year, it became retroactive, which means people like 31-year-old Joshua Phillips may have a chance of getting out. Phillips' lawyer, Tom Fallis, says scientific research on the development of children's brains could reveal a lot in this case.
We have to determine what was going through that young child's mind at the time. Did he have the ability or the requisite intent, to commit the crime that he was accused of? Children are different, and finally, it's been recognized, okay? Florida, long time coming, but finally they had no choice because the U.S. Supreme Court says this is how it goes.
In 1998, 8-year-old Maddie Clifton disappeared from her home in the San Jose area. Her body was later found underneath Phillips' waterbed. The medical examiner's office said she had been stabbed in the neck and had blunt force trauma to the head. Clifton's family says they are aware of what happened in court today, but told News4Jax they don't want to speak at this time.
Do you believe that your client can be rehabilitated?
Absolutely. I believe the court will too once they see what he's accomplished in the last almost 20 years in prison. I mean, he's come a long way, and that's going to be evidence. So I'm not getting into it now, but that's the kind of evidence the court is going to need.
Fallis also asked the court to require the state to pay court costs relating to the new experts. He says the experts are key to meeting the burden of a new sentencing hearing so the court can give a proper sentence. The state disagreed and said it's, quote, absurd, repeating what's already been done. But the judge says he understands the defense's position.
Something that's happened between the defendant's brain between at the time of the trial and now, I mean, that's a separate issue. Obviously, I'm assuming it's more developed since he's older now. But I guess my question
that is the central issue, and then because the juveniles' minds are not developed, and so now we need to look when they are developed.
Now, there will be a status hearing coming up June 14th to talk about any new discovery material, as well as what experts they're going to call and why they're going to call those experts, and then, of course, to figure out a solid date for the new sentencing hearing. Heather Lee, Channel 4, the local station.